Hello, my name is Amulya and you are watching TechTube. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Ruby on Microsoft Windows operating system. This is Microsoft Windows 10. If you have Windows 7, 8, 8.1, you should have no issue downloading and installing watching this video. So before we get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like the video if you like the content. Share the video with your friends and colleagues. So let's get started. This is a Ruby installer's website that lets you download Ruby and DevKit on your Microsoft operating system. Only this website is Microsoft Windows specific. So let's go ahead and download it and install it on Microsoft Windows 10. So go ahead and fire up your preferred browser and go to rubyinstaller.org and hit on this red big button that says download, and this will take you to this downloads page. Before we get started, you want to make sure that you know your system architecture type. So my system type is 64-bit. You can go ahead and open this window by clicking the window key and pause break button on the right top above the numeric key. So now you know your system type. Since you've got two editions of Ruby, 64-bit and 32-bit, you go ahead and download the right edition for your operating system, 32-bit or 64-bit. One more thing, you can see Ruby community recommends using this 2.6. So whenever you're going to download Ruby from this website, you will have a recommended version of Ruby to be downloaded by the community. So this is what I will go ahead and do. There is one more thing that you definitely want to know. DevKit. So what is DevKit? Basically, this is kind of extension, a native build extension that's basically good for Ruby developers. And what it does, it basically creates a connection between C and C++ libraries that can be used by Ruby developers and Ruby frameworks like Ruby on Rails. So this is why you need this Ruby and DevKit together. So this is what it is. So if you're a really serious Ruby developer, you definitely want to go ahead and download and install DevKit as well. However, if you just want to learn Ruby, you can go with this without DevKit. So go ahead and click on this. Always go with the recommended edition of Ruby, version of Ruby, 32-bit or 64-bit for your operating system. I'm going to click on this 64-bit and download it. So I already have downloaded. I'm not going to waste your time here. Going to cancel it, and this download is available in my downloads folder. So pause the video. Once your download completes, resume the video. Now locate your download here, right click on it and just say open. Make sure you have enough privileges to install the application, otherwise you won't be able to install it. Then go ahead and say I accept the license and then hit next. Do not make any change. What I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it as it is and then hit next. Basically install. Do not make any changes over here, just say next. And this will take some time, so you will have to be patient with it. It's going to install the Ruby and the tool chain as well from the internet. So that's basically a huge package, almost 800 MB. So wait for it, and once it's installed, come back and we will resume from there. Alright, so you can see this is almost installed. Now what it's going to do, it's going to install the tool chain using this command prompt, the CMD, Microsoft Windows CMD, irrespective of your operating system, Windows 7, 8, 8.1 or 10. So now this is going to start it. So there are lots of things being installed that you do not need. Basically this is locale, so it's going to install so many languages and Ruby docs as well. So now what you need to do, you simply have to click on this finish, and this will run this command, and this is basically for C and C++ extensions. And once you get this Ruby installer 2 for Windows, just press enter, and this is going to take care of everything. Okay, so it will take some time here. Trust database, importing owner trust value, refreshing 8 keys from this internet URL, and we are almost done here. Okay, installing user share info, wish info. Okay, properly installed, and here you see succeeded. So what you need to do, basically here it says you just need to restart the shell to apply the necessary action. Go ahead and restart it. Now we can go ahead and check if Ruby is installed. So you simply type ruby space -version and hit enter. You can see you've got 2.6. You can also go ahead and check the IRB, which is Ruby Interactive Shell, and this lets you play with this Ruby like in live. So I can simply say hello world, and this is going to write hello world. It's going to take care of all the arithmetics here. So this is how you can use IRB. I'm quickly going to write a script, Ruby script, and run it from this command prompt. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go on my desktop and create a folder called rbox, just Ruby box, and then get into this folder, and I'm going to open this with this Sublime Text. This command sub L may not work on your system, so you will have to just open this rbox manually in your preferred editor and create a file. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say hello.rb. so RB is Ruby's extension .rb, and now we will quickly write hello world kind of application. So this is how you create a variable in Ruby. Basically I'm going to say tube min, and then I'm going to print it out. So you simply say puts, and I can say hello, and here you can just type the variable, and this will take care of it. So this is basically, you type, basically write the Ruby script, and then to execute it you just locate to this particular folder in your command prompt and say Ruby, and then the name of the file that you want to execute, and here it says hello tubement, hello world, whatever you want to say. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, suggestion, leave in the comment below. I will try to answer it ASAP. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have again any question, leave in the comment below. Bye for now.